Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to transform positive infinity and negative infinity into limit. So we have A and B approach to positive infinity and negative infinity. So we have the integration. A that should be in here, B that should be in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 4x to the power of 3. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because this one that is about 2x to the power of 3. This one we have number 6 and number 4. So in this situation, we need to divide both sides by number 6 and number 2, and that's about number 12. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to b, that is in here, and we put the value of b gone here, and we can find the value of u. Now, if s equals to a, we do the same. So b, we change by this one. A, we change by this one. This one we change by u. 2x to the power of 3 dx we change by du over 12. Next, the integration of du over u square. We have negative 1 over u, and I will put the bounds from 6b to the power of 4 plus 3 to 6a to the power of 4 plus 3. So this one, that is about negative number 1 over 12u. So I will put this one and this one gone here. So if we look carefully, when I approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity, and everything will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one we have b go to negative infinity, so this one will go to positive infinity because the power is about even power. This is about even power, so when we put negative cone here, we got positive. And this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. So this one we have negative 0 plus 0, and we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.